Okay, oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my gulay.
My gulay. Hi guys, this is Jill and I'm with
Zailey,
and welcome back to our
channel.
For today's video, we're going to have fun with art. Very good, using recycled materials. But before we begin, please don't forget to
like, share, subscribe, click on our button. Boom.
Let's begin. So, what do we need, Zailey? So we need
Paper.
very good colored papers. This one is Japanese paper. This one, glue, and this one, scissors, ta-dang, and our coloring materials and pencils. Okay, so let's begin.
I
So
need to use this only.
yeah, we're going
Not
to draw
crayon only.
later. Okay,
We're going to draw what?
we're going to draw a big face.
And Daily use this paper and Mommy use this. Yes?
Okay, yeah,
And
this
I-
one first. This one first.
I check that Daily first draw that one.
Okay, I'll get this first. I'll put this at the back.
Okay.
Okay, here's Zailey.
Okay.
Okay, you draw a very big circle, a very big face. Okay. Oh, then the eyes.
Looks like a balloon.
Balloon.
Yeah.
Very good.
Because it's like this one.
Yeah, but
It's
it's
a
nice.
smiley. That is a smiley face.
Very good. And
A smiley
the
face.
nose.
Then no.
And
like this
big smile.
also. The eyes is hiding
Okay,
here,
how
but
about the big smile?
and eyebrows.
That's the eyelashes.
It looks cute.
This big
Look,
smile.
think it's Zailey.
Very good. Okay, can you show
Think
it?
it's Zailey.
Show it to them. There you go.
Mommy, think it's Zailey.
Yeah.
Think it's not Mommy's only Zailey
Okay,
because
so
it's
next-
cute one.
Yeah. Okay, next is we're going to put glue.
Ako for the feet.
Okay, put feet.
Yesterday also
It's the
forgot
legs.
to put a few.
Put your other side also.
Shoes.
The shoes also. Very small. Okay, very good. Good job.
Because see the
Okay,
rainbow.
put this. You hold here. Hold that side. Mommy will hold here, okay? Put it together.
Oh,
There you go. Very
it
good.
looks nice. It's super cute.
It's cute.
I
So
like this hair.
while waiting,
Wait, I need to put this and like this.
okay. Can you
One.
trace that one so
One.
that they can see?
This one here.
Yeah, the circle. Can
Other
you,
side.
yeah, can you trace it? What color? Or blue?
This one.
No, not yellow.
This.
Yeah. You trace first, okay?
Go. I forgot that out.
Okay. And then for the eyes daily, we're going to use this.
Yeah.
This one. Okay. So while you're tracing, I'll do the eyes.
Yeah, and Zailey color the shoes also, huh? Look, I got
How do we do that? Okay, it's wet.
I got feel it now my hands. Because there's a glitter out.
No, there's
Look,
glue.
look like funny. Okay. Also that smile is big better.
Okay, while you're doing that, I will
He got
prepare the
glitter on.
black paper.
Yeah?
for the
I need
eyes.
to blind. Oh,
It's
okay.
for the eyes. Okay. Here you go.
I nose is also it's too small. I not can trace the because that is over small. And
We're going to use the bottle cover.
who's that one for?
This one.
Who's that one for?
Bottle cover.
Who's that
Wait.
one for here? Nose or
Yeah,
here?
it's for the nose. Yeah,
For the
like
nose?
that.
I
Okay?
don't like that
No,
one.
it's nice.
No, because that is not better for when I put big nose.
Okay, so we have here red Japanese paper. Oh. Okay, so we'll put this here, okay, for the hair. So I will add more glue.
No,
Look.
what did you see?
Little bit. Okay, oh no.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god!
My gulay. Look.
Why put another one? What's that favorite? The baby and
There.
and I can see the pink one here.
It's okay, wait. We have to fix that. Let's wait for it to dry. There you go.
Yeah.
Wow. Why? Oh. Okay. Why are you laughing?
You're laughing also because I said ice cream, man.
Ice cream, yeah, you have ice cream there?
Yeah, at the
You made that? Wow, look at that. Okay. So next, Zailey, is we're going to what's
ice
next? We're going to
cream.
put the eyes. So this one is the eyes.
Why put ice?
There.
Oh, okay.
Look, we'll show it to them.
Oh,
Wait,
it
it won't
looks like
focus.
I have one ice upstairs.
You have eyes? So we'll just use this. This one is recycled.
Aren't there? I put that.
Okay. You're sleeping? Okay, go. Come here. I'll put this one first.
Baby, mommy first put.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
you go.
going to will.
Hi.
Hi guys, about channel.
You tell them to subscribe to your channel.
Boom!
And you tell them to watch
Hi guys,
our
about
videos.
channel, and I'm going to start something. Bye.
What are you doing? Wait. Ouch. Wait, is it dry already?
No.
Not
Yes.
yet.
Yes.
Yes.
Try to get.
I'm scared. I think it's dry. Wait, no. Do not pull na lang. Okay? Can you show it to them?
Oh, there's a cockroach.
No. There's no cockroach. It's this one. I got scared. Okay, so can you show it? Can you show it to them? Wow, look at that.
Looks like I can.
Look at mommy's face. Hi, Zailey. Hello, hi. Hey, what's your name? Ah, you talk to me. Hey, what's your name? No. Look, it's very nice. See that? Yeah, and look at the eyes.
Mommy Zailey. Mommy
Yay.
Zella.
And we're done. So, we're done, Zailey?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for this vlog. We hope you enjoyed watching. And again, please don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, click more down. Bye guys.
bye.
I
Thanks
have
for
this-
watching.
Thanks to watching to this.
Bye.
Bye. I click some.
Yes, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe and watch all our videos. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.